Locks are like noses, only pick your own. Just don't do no crimes. We've taught lockpicking on Scam Nation, we've taught it on Mono Rogue. We've learned about the fact that there are 5-pin and 6-pin locks, that the most popular locks are Quickset and Schlage. I never know. Then I heard about Lishi lockpicks, and we found out that there's only one source. We tried to get our hands on some, but the minimum order was like 85 bazillion D. But then your friend of mine, Deviant Olive from Red Team Alliance, said that he could get us very limited quantities of the Schlage and Quickset, and more importantly, their version has this awesome little bumper thing that allows you to do both 5 and 6-pin locks. As I understand it, what makes the Lishi lockpick different is that it actually has measurements. So if there are 5 bumps, each one has kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 amount of bumpiness that they have.
Okay.
And normally you go entirely by feel. You put a little bit of tension and you go pokey pokey, but in this case you actually have like a ruler measurements to indicate where you're at. And the idea is, instead of going by feel, you're actually able to measure the way they would cut a key. You're able to measure it to the lock. So we've got a lock here. This is the ultimate lockpick trainer, where it starts you off at 1 pin, goes up to 5 pins. As far as you understand, how does lockpicking work?
As best as I know, there is a tension wrench, and there's the actual pick itself.
Right. Basically, the tension wrench gets the tubey thing getting ready to slide, and the pick is like a finger. I always think of it as a finger that goes in.
So we're going to use our awesome spacer here.
And the difference with the 2 different types of keys is basically the S shape that goes down. So it goes all the way in.
Yep.
We're going to put a little bit of tension on it. There are 5 pins, and with the tension, each one will kind of lock into place. You're never quite sure which of the 5 pins is going to be the one that locks first.
Okay.
So you could try go forward and backwards. You'll feel that moment of alignment, and you'll feel it kind of latch into the right spot.
Okay.
And in fact, when you relax everything, you can actually hear all of the pins falling down.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I felt it. I felt it on this end.
Whoa.
So if that's not the one, you can go to another one.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Keep going, keep going. The most important part is getting a map, a mental map of the layout of the 5 pins.
Okay. I think. Wait.
Okay. Wait, you did it!
Oh!
Oh my God! We have Lishi lockpicks now.
Oh my God.
Scamstuff.com, gear for the Mono Rogue. Available now.
It was amazingly easy. Amazingly. You can just feel it like it's just punk, 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 and done.